Sudan sees al-Bashir under house arrest in Khartoum. Sudan military ruler meets US envoy in Khartoum. Saudi Arabia backs Transitional Council in Sudan. OIC calls for dialogue in Sudan after Bashir's ouster. Regime airstrike injures 5 civilians in Syria's IDLIB. Ex-Iraqi premier calls for disbanding al-SHAABI. Egypt's Sisi holds talks with East Libya commander. Libyan civil war giving opening for DAESH to rise. US Muslim lawmaker finds support against smear. Turkish aid agency opens healthcare center in Mexico. Pakistani show solidarity with Christchurch victims. Pakistan, 4 killed in flash floodings.